As conversations deepened, so did the possibilities. Day 2 at EuroPCR 2026 brought together perspectives from across the cardiovascular ecosystem from complex PCI to structural heart interventions. PRISM continued to redefine how complexity could be interpreted with greater alignment. Structural heart innovations reflected precision, designed for moments where every decision matters. And through every discussion, demonstration, and exchange, one thing became increasingly evident. Innovation becomes meaningful when everything connects seamlessly around clinical confidence. Because the future of intervention is not built on individual technologies. It is built on how intelligently they come together. Meril at EuroPCR 2026.